Hi guys, here's how you can create your own offline AI on your PC, or you can even run it from a USB drive. Now for that, we need to download two files. So first, download this LLM file, go to this GitHub page, I'll provide the link in the description, scroll down and click on releases. After that, download the latest version, which you will find it under assets. So for now, the latest version is this, but this might change. I've already downloaded this file. After this file is downloaded, go to this link and download this file, GGUF. The file size is about 2.5 GB. You can simply click here and download it. I've already downloaded this file as well. So I have these files here. You can see this is the LLM file and this is the GGUF file. Now after downloading this, all you have to do is rename this. Simply rename it. I will remove the version so it's much easier and type .exe and enter and yes. So it will look like this. Now open Notepad and type /. So this is the exact exe file we need to type. I'll simply rename this and copy so it will be easy. Ctrl V, also add .exe. / server / model. And since we are using this model, so copy the exact name. Make sure you also copy the extension GZUF. Copy and paste it here. So it's done. Now let's save it and do save as. Please make sure to keep it in the same folder and you can call it any name. I will say offline AI.bat file. Make sure you add the bat extension and save. And close this. So here is it. Now to run this AI, simply double click on this bat file. It might take some time, but eventually it will work. So you will get this link. Now copy this link, Ctrl+C, and go to browser and paste it here. So here is your own offline AI, and you can ask anything you want. And you can also add files, text files and PDF files. And this is the model we are using. Now if you want to use a different model, you can simply edit this bat file and just download the different model and replace it here. And you can try it accordingly. So please try playing with the settings and as well different models. Thank you very much.